Hi everyone, and welcome back to my heavenly babies. Today we've got another box opening and I am so excited. This was a kind of spur of the moment baby that I seen on reborns.com, and for the price of it and everything, I'm just blown away. I can't wait to share this baby with you. I can't wait to see this baby in person. And as far as the gender on this one, I'm not sure yet. So I know what she was, the site, the seller was calling it, and I kind of changed it. So when I did, then she did it differently for the box opening. But I'm not sure if it's going to be a boy or a girl for me. So we'll have to just see when I see it. I want to see it in person first. And recently I just sold a few of my girls, 3 of my girls' silicones. I sold them trying to declutter or downsize a little bit. So now, because I had more girls than boys, but now I'm not sure with this one if I want it to be a boy or girl. I had told her a boy, and then I said, and then to myself I thought, well, when I get it and open it, maybe it will remain a girl, and then I'll tell you the kit and everything. Got the COA with it. This is a baby that is sold out, a limited edition sold out kit for a phenomenal price on Reborns. I couldn't pass it up, you guys. I couldn't. I mean, we're talking phenomenal. All right, let's go ahead and open. I do have all the labels covered, but we're going to go ahead and open. We're going to get this baby out. So yeah, she has it as a boy for me, but she did send the outfit it was in originally. We'll go over the stuff that comes with it. And the original outfit that was on it that I really liked. She said, I'll just send that with it, but I sent him as a boy because that's what you were saying you wanted. I'm not sure where his head's right there, I think. Wait. No, his head's this way. Okay, but look at this beautiful blanket to start off with. Oh my gosh, for the price of this too, I can't believe the beautiful blanket. All right, so I'll tell you all about the kit and everything afterwards, but she sent a few things, and I'm surprised because it said that it would just come in the outfit and a blanket of her choice. And if you wanted it to be a boy, she had it as a girl. If you wanted it to be a boy, she would send it, as a boy then. But she gave me a little outfit with it on. So this one right now is representing a boy, but I might keep it as a girl. I'm not sure yet till I see it. Like after I looked at it again, I thought maybe I do want it as a girl. So, but anyways, that's fine. Here is a little boy outfit. This is a very cute Carter's. It's a Carter's. It's just blue and white with a whale on it. And it looks like this baby wears newborn size. So we got this. And then this little outfit is what it was on in that site. And I was so in love with that outfit. And I thought, well, that could look boy or girl. I thought it was a girl. I mean, a boy. But this outfit is girl. Now that I see it in person, it is, and I love it. And look, it still has the tags on it. It's baby do, I think it's called. But look at this cute little outfit. Isn't this adorable? And that's what she had on it. And it had a big giant hat. That's on its way. It's supposed to be delivered today. She forgot to put the hat in, a big pom-pom hat, a big white fluffy hat, pom-pom hat. It was so cute. After I open the baby, I'll show you what the pictures I saw on the website in the outfit, so you see what I'm talking about with the hat. So this I got. Wow, I can't believe she said some things with it, because yeah, on the site they say that they don't do that, that she doesn't say anything. Well, here's a little gray and white t-shirt, a little pair of yellow pants, and a knotted hat, and some gray mitts. And this baby came with 4 newborn. It looks like a preemie's in there too, newborn to preemie. So it looks, or preemie to newborn. Looks like this baby's going to be smaller. So it is a smaller baby. I'll tell you the weight and everything after we open it. And then this baby got its own lovey. Aw. And I actually got this baby a lovey, so it's good that I have an extra one. And it came with a bottle. Wow, she put a lot of stuff in here. Unbelievable. And then it's got a nook in here and a little tiny plastic bear, I think it is. I'll show you up close here. A tiny plastic bear and that. I got to make sure that this doesn't get blurry. I always worry about that because it blurs up sometimes. But wow, that's really nice. And the nook is a zebra nook, so it's clear with the zebra on it. So that's so cute. And I believe this is a little zebra. I think it is. Oh, how cute and nice. I hope you guys can see that. All right, and then the paperwork I'll read after. I think this would be the COA. Let me just see myself here. Yes, okay, so this is the COA. And then this is, to me, a little card. Oh, look, it's got smiley faces all over it. And I sure am happy to get another baby. It says, hi, Angela. Thank you for adopting little, I'm not going to say the name until I tell you the kid, little blank. I hope he brings you joy for years to come. I've only been reborning for 1 year, and your purchase and sweet comments has given me a huge confidence boost. So thank you for all of that. Love, Carrie. So I'll tell you all about who the seller is. And like I said, I saw this baby and I was so drawn to it. I just kept going back to it, back to it, back to it, back to it. And I said, I got to get it. So, and I had, like I said, sold some of my babies out of my collection. So that's how, I purchased him, because I got rid of 3 of my babies. So God was good again and blessed me again. So, yep, all 3 went really quick. And it was, I got my twin girls, Mercedes and Lexus. I let Lexus go. Robin and Raven, I let Robin go. And my Summer. Those are the 3 I let go, just because twins are hard to work with. Like, it feels like you don't give attention to them or really don't do much with them. So I don't want to have twins in my collection anymore. So, yep. But this is how we got this little guy or girl. Not sure. So let's go ahead and open, and we'll do this slow. Make sure he's covered. Yep, his face is covered. So I'm saying he right now. But after I see him, then I will determine. Aw, his body is little. Yeah, I'll tell you all his weight and everything. Aw, he feels good, you guys. So we're going to go ahead and just peek over on him. And then when I see his face, that will determine boy or girl. And then I'll tell you the name. So, yeah. I'm excited, you guys. Oh, my gosh. He was so pretty in there. And just couldn't believe for the price. Aw. So beautiful. So it's got beautiful veining. It's got froggy legs. That was one of the things that really sold me, was the froggy legs on it. This is a vinyl, a Reborn vinyl, and like I said, a limited edition sold out kit. Look at these froggy legs, and look at these tiny feet. I want to make sure that it's not blurry. You guys are seeing it. Oh, he's got little tiny feet, and you might be a she. We don't know yet. No, we don't know yet. Full arms and limbs on this baby. Look at your hand. Aw. So pretty. She said there were some flaws on it, on the hand, but not that noticeable at all. And I told her, I said, as an artist myself, I said, flaws, imperfections makes perfection. And so even though he had a little flaws in his hands a little bit there, it just looks like it's blushing to me. That's all it looks like. Oh my gosh, his hands are so tiny. Look at how pretty that is. Does anybody know this kit yet? I mean, you guys are, more into reborns than me, so maybe you already know what kit this is. Oh gosh, his hands are so tiny, so cute. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take his hat off and the diaper and reveal this baby. And then I'll determine from there what I'm gonna do. But 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Oh, you are so cute. You are just as cute as I knew on that site. Oh my goodness, you guys, that mouth. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have to bring it up and show you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to enjoy him right now. Oh my gosh, the hair is so pretty. If you guys don't know, I'll tell you, but I'm sure a lot of you already know. Look at that face, you guys. Look at that mouth, how it goes down. You just want to kiss it. Oh, how precious. It does have the eyebrows, no eyelashes. I'm going to root the eyelashes. She explained that there was no eyelashes on it. But look at the blemishes on him. That spot, this was my favorite right there. I loved that spot. It was almost like he bumped his little head. Yeah, like babies do. But there are the hands. And there's where there's a little bit of, mistake on it. But I like that. I like, because I'm an artist. So flaws is what makes perfection to me. That's what I believe. And then look at the feet. Oh, and the blushing. Hopefully you guys can see all that. So pretty. I always do more of a detailed video. I'll do a detailed one. I am going to keep this baby as a boy. I am. It looks very boyish to me. So let me tell you what baby it is. If you don't know, I'm sure a lot of you know. This is the Johnny kit. Yes, it is the Johnny kit. And it is Sheila's Newborns Nursery, Johnny, and it says by Lenka Palaki. I hope I'm saying that right, you guys. I'm going to put it up on the screen. It's kit number 60 of 400. Okay, and it's this baby is sold out. This was from 2021. I don't think it has the birth. It says this kit was created just for you. Copyright protected. Copying of any kind is prohibited. And it's quality vinyl Reborn doll kits and sculpting. True Born. But yes, this is a sold out kit, you guys. This is the Johnny kit. And then it's Carrie's baby carriage. The name is Johnny. Date of birth was March of 2023 is when she reborned him. But she did it as a girl. Weight is 5 pounds. And the length is 18 inches. Artist's name is Carrie Thurman. Nursery's name is Carrie's baby carriage. And this is the birth certificate that I got with it. And I will throw that up there on the screen, the name of her from reborns.com. But yeah, that is just so awesome. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful baby. But it was called the Johnny kit, and I just, when I seen it more as a boy. You know, I did, and I still do. So we're going to keep this baby as a boy. And I had a few names picked out. And I think I'm going to go with, let's see. I think I'm going to go with, you know what? I don't know yet. I'll put it up on the screen though. So it'll go up on the screen there because I pre-record these videos. So I'll put it up on the screen when I'm going to name him. It's between two names and I just want to think about it for a few minutes. But anyways, this is my beautiful new baby boy. And you'll know the name because it would have been up there. And I'm just so happy to have him. I'm so glad that I found this and it was at such an incredible price. Yeah, hi buddy. Hi, you're adorable. You're adorable. Yeah, you're just precious and little. He really is precious and little. The body was done very well. I like that. And like I said, he is a he or a she. And I am going to keep it a boy. Like I said, after I seen it, we'll see how good the nub works. Oh, that works good too. Yeah, that works good. All right, so that yellow outfit will be for a girl, but and the puffy hat's coming. I would have, at the very end, I will show you a couple photographs of him and of him on the site, what he was dressed in and why I like that outfit, what he was dressed in. All right, you guys, everybody take care. God bless, and I'll see each and every one of you in my very next upload.